Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing some Christmas decor. Decided to dress up a little Christmassy. If you like this outfit and you're interested, you can check out my Amazon storefront. I will link it in the description box. Let's just jump into this video. I'm going to be doing 2 Stairway swags. I'm going to be using 2 of this dry, I'm not sure what it's called. I got them from Michael's, all the items I'm going to be using in this video is from Michael's, okay? This decor is a giveaway. It's for Christmas giveaway 2022, and it's going to be 2 Stairway swags. So what I'm going to do, I already cut the stem off, and I'm going to just actually attach them like so. Because with Stairway swags, okay, but then honestly you can just make it anyhow you want to make it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is wire these 2 first, and then I'm gonna wire it on here. So you can see better, I'm gonna change the angle of my camera. Okay, so let's do that. Setia flowers. Now I'm going to do the final touch. I'm going to add some ornaments and the ribbon to tie the swag onto the stairway. They are done. I think they look pretty cool. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Any questions you have, just comment below. I appreciate you watching my video. Let me give you a close-up look. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty. Alright, thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video.